We are trying my mic again since it didn't really work the last time I was filming, but I don't even think I uploaded that video, so that's fine. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I figured today I would film as I am getting all the fall stuff out, planning on redoing my prayer wall because it desperately needs to be redone. I have 2 videos on it and I wanted a prayer wall, but I was thinking more about the video aspect of it instead of the functionality, and this time I care more about how it's gonna function for me and me using it. So this might be all over the place. You might not see everything that I do, but I will show you how it turns out at the end, because what I care more about is how the wall actually comes out, so that way I can use it daily. Also, I'm getting out all my fall stuff because I am wanting to decorate for fall. I also want to organize everything better because I just kind of have everything in boxes. So you can kind of see I took out a whole bunch of stuff there, and I did buy, can you see them? I bought some bins right there. Those I bought just that way I can organize much better because we are a bit of a mess. I do need to do a few things today. I need to go to the post office. I need to go to there's a store right next to me that sells like fresh produce, so I want to do that because I want to get back on my like meal prepping and just healthy eating, because I've been eating terribly. I haven't felt great. My stomach's been in so much pain and I don't want to live like that. For my Bible reading this week, so we are in Ruth, and I love the book of Ruth. If you did not know, this week I will be filming it. You will already see it by the time this video comes out. I'm filming a study on Habakkuk, so if you guys would like to see that, I will leave that link down below. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. So I'm just gonna get things done and bring you guys along as I do things. This video is going to have a lot of stuff: prayer wall, fall decorating, and then just some odds and ends. So I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. That mic, I can't get it to work, so we ain't using it. But the dog is sleeping. I wanted to show you what I have so far. I did buy these little pumpkins at Target. They were $3 each, and then I already had these little things. And now I just have to find where the rest of my stuff is. I think it's in the back of my closet, because here's my Christmas tree, and I'm pretty sure in this box I literally took everything out of my closet, so I'm pretty sure all of this is just Christmas. So, but I do want to get it out of this box. Oh, the lighting is terrible, because that is my Cricut box, and I think I need to put my Cricut away just because I don't have the space for it right now. I love it, but I'm not using it at this current moment, and I know I'm not going to use it through the holidays, so I'm going to put it away. And I can put these in these bins I bought, and then find my fall stuff, because I don't know where it is. I'm planning on moving these 2 shelves to go in that corner and put my prayer wall, and put my prayer wall over here, and then the shelves here, and then that way I can have something nice to look at, but also have my prayers up there too. And I'm gonna make it very simple. I think I showed this in another vlog. I'm pretty sure I showed this in another vlog. It's these cork boards that I bought at TJ Maxx, and I'm just gonna put this on the walks, and I can like put push pins and like index cards with whatever I'm praying for, whoever I'm praying for, things like that, and just keep it very, very simple. So yeah, I gotta get my life together. Y'all can't see me. Now for this box, there's just a lot of my craft stuff that I put away because when I boxed all these things up, I thought I would be moving out soonish, and it's been a while. And then this box, I know it's all home decor and like kitchen things. So I don't know where my fall stuff is. Do I not have fall decorating things? I for sure decorated for fall last year, so. Okay, so let's start with Christmas. Let's move all the Christmas stuff into one central area, and then I guess we're gonna go from there because I clearly don't know where my things are. Using it very soon. Guys, found the fall stuff in the Christmas bin. I don't know who let me organize this crooked, but clearly I had no idea what I was doing. All right. Okay. So what are we doing? A lot of my Christmas and fall decor I do get from Target and Walmart and a dollar store. So I need to label this box Christmas so that way I know it's Christmas stuff and only Christmas stuff. Hello guys, it is later in the day and I wanted to just do a very quick update of what I have done. I have all my fall stuff here. I really did think I had more, but I guess not. And then Christmas stuff down here. I put all my shoes back in here and organized all those boxes so that way everything is in order. And I didn't realize that pillow was facing that way and it will bother me. So yeah, so I think I'm going to catch up with you guys tomorrow, and yeah, and we'll do my prayer wall. I'll move those shelves, decorate for fall, and finish organizing this room. So yeah, so I will see you guys in the morning. Hello vlog. So I'm in yesterday's shirt, but it's because I got a package. I mentioned in one of my last vlogs that I thought one of my packages got lost, but it is here and it's very exciting. It is from Mr. Penn. It's very cutely wrapped. Let's see. So before I open it, this package is from Mr. Penn. It is a stationery and Bible journaling brand. They reached out to me maybe at the beginning of last month and asked me if I wanted to try some of their products, and I said yes. And I have actually tried quite a few of their products. I have right here, I have their sticky note, like little notebook. The highlighters that I mentioned in my last vlog are from Mr. Penn, and I also have another, like they're more, what are they, like a gel, like a creamy highlighters. So I have those. So I actually do have quite a few things from them. So this is exciting. Ooh, and there's a card. And then a lot of goodies. So here is a Bible case. Oh, am I in focus? A Bible case. It's very cute. I wonder if my Bible will fit in here. I know my smaller one will definitely fit in here, but we'll have to try that. Some washi tapes. When I was looking on their website, I was hoping I'd get some washi tapes. Oh, these are nice because they're neutrals. So I've been going through my washi tapes and I'm actually getting rid of a lot of them because I wanted more neutral and simple ones, and that's what these are. Very cute. These are some of their colorful fine liner pens, which I will use with you guys so you guys can see them and see how they work. More of their highlighters. So I have some of these already, but they're like the pastel brand. And then some more pens, and this is their Bible study kit. These are some Bible tabs to tab like the different books. They're very cute. They're very floral like, and they have little mustaches on everything. Sticky notes. You guys know that I love my sticky notes. And these sticky notes are going to be perfect for my prayer wall because they say praying for, they have different things on it. These are beautiful. That is everything that was in my box. Thank you so much to Mr. Penn for all the goodies. I'm super excited to try everything. Hello everyone. Wow, I'm kind of close, but today I'm doing some filming for the second part of my Habakkuk Bible study. So doing that, and I'm also going to be removing these shelves. That is what I'm doing. I got my tools, and you know, we're gonna be wrapping up this vlog nicely, and then I will show you what everything looks like, because I'm hoping to just clean up my desk a little bit more so I have more room to do things. There's that one little piece of hair. I had it pinned back, but just making it a nice mess. And today I went a little dark with my makeup. Not that you guys care. I think I already spoke to you guys today, actually. Yes, because I took off my shelves. So I need to put those up, switch them out over here. This looks ridiculous. I need to move the shelves and put them over here, clear this out and organize things. So hopefully this vlog can end on a happy note. I don't think I'm gonna have time to decorate too much, but I might. I'm not really sure. I'm trying to remember what else I mentioned in this vlog, because I haven't done no reading besides like my Bible. We're reading Ruth, and I love Ruth, and it's been going great. So besides that, there's nothing new. So yeah, so I'm going to leave you guys, and then just either you'll see what I'm doing for my prayer wall, or I will show you tomorrow. So this happened. We are completely rearranging everything. Not the intention, but you can see the prayer wall so far. But I figured I'd just show you guys. And yeah, I'm not showing you myself. I look crazy. Hello everyone. We have finished the prayer wall. I haven't put up any prayers yet because I figured I'd keep those private, but I wanted to show you guys before I ended this video. So let me show you how it all turned out. That is just what the shelves look like. And then down here is my prayer wall. So with the corkboard, I can add push pins to it to stick my prayer walls or my prayer cards on. I also have these sticky notes that I got from Mr. Penn. And why isn't it auto-focusing? There we go. And they just say like praying for and different things. And then I put up this verse from Micah 7:7. It says, "But as for me, I will look to the Lord. I will wait for the God of my salvation. My God will hear me." And then I also brought my bulletin board here, and it's got a lot of random scribbles. And this is just what it looks like from a distance. I did end up rearranging my whole entire room, as you can kind of tell from that back there. So I just want to show you guys what the prayer wall ended up looking like. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't checked out my Habakkuk prayer videos, definitely check that out. I will leave those linked down below. And I think that's it. So I'll see you guys in my next video.